Strategies to encourage eating and drinking for people with dementia. It is important to gain a person's attention and orient them to the mealtime. Just as we would when we sit down for a meal, it's good to talk positively about the food. This will help engage the person with their food and encourage them to eat. Having finger foods or snacks available may help to increase the amount a person eats, especially outside of meal times. Do not mix pureed foods together. This will make them look unappetizing.